Let's build a new mini PC together. For this project, we will use the brand new Ryzen 8 700G with super strong integrated graphics, paired with 32 GB of DDR5 memory and to server-grade SSDs, which will run in RAID 1. This PC will be used as a mini server for client management and more application. Therefore, this PC is packed super powerful components in a small form factor. All components get installed on ASRock's new desk Mini X600 Barebone. It supports AMD's new AM5 socket and even PCIe 5.0 support. Even though the PC is super powerful, it just comes down to €700, which is a super cheap price.